The future of visual art is virtual. Everything from photo editing to commercial design to animation is being increasingly facilitated by software and hardware, and artists willing to embrace this latest wave of technology innovations can benefit exponentially from their adoption. And drawing tablets are one of the coolest and most useful new tools available to consumers. With the increased sensitivity and precision offered by the latest of these devices, tablets can ably replicate everything you could accomplish on traditional paper with a number of critical advantages to boot. But your money is hard-earned, and you don't need to be wasting it on a tablet that won't meet your needs. That's why we've highlighted 5 of the top contenders for the best drawing tablet of 2022. Starting at number 1. Wacom Cintiq 22 Drawing Tablet. If you consider yourself a professional artist and want the best tools at your disposal, the $1,200 you'll spend on the Wacom Cintiq 22 could be well worth it. While it doesn't offer wireless connectivity, it's a truly impressive piece of work in pretty much every other respect. The Wacom Cintiq 22 offers an industry-best 8,192 levels of pressure sensitivity, double that of the Wacom Intuos, along with an anti-glare surface that allows you to draw more accurately even in less than ideal environments. That's further complemented by tilt recognition and low activation force for a drawing experience that's almost identical to the real thing. Support is included for both USB and HDMI connections, and it also comes with an adjustable stand that's especially great when working long hours at a time. The 21.5-inch display is incredibly spacious, and that helps it make the most of the detailed Full HD resolution. Very spacious screen real estate. Supports 16.7 million colors. Incredibly precise pressure control. Pro Pen 2 feels natural to use. Number 2. Gammon PD 1560 Drawing Tablet. The Gammon PD 1560 is a drawing tablet that has a lot in common with the Canvas GT191. While the active drawing area of the PD 1560 is a few inches smaller, they both sport IPS color screens for good visibility at multiple angles and a full HD resolution of 1080p. Support is offered for both Apple and Windows operating systems, but the Gammon has the Canvas beat in terms of interface. 10 customizable express keys and 5 menu buttons give you unprecedented control of how this tablet interacts with your computer. And the PD 1560 comes with its own adjustable stand as well. That allows you to find the perfect and most comfortable angle for drawing, an essential asset for professionals who find them drawing for hours at a time. And that also means that left-handed users can work just as comfortably with this tablet as right-handed artists. IPS screen looks great from any angle. Comes with a screen protector. Wide range of software compatibility. Backed by a limited 1-year warranty. Number 3. Simbans Picasso Tab 10 Drawing Tablet. The Simbans Picasso Tab is a drawing tablet that offers specs impressive enough to suit the needs of professional artists, but it utilizes an interface that's easy and accessible even for beginners. If you want a tablet and pen that offers a low barrier to entry but will still suit your needs years down the road, this is one of the best drawing tablets we've found. But if the specs on this drawing tablet seem a little understated for the price offered, there's a reason for that. The best part of this tablet is that it can also serve as the best option for browsing the web and watching your favorite movies and shows. It includes 32 GB of storage space and an Android operating system, so it supports all the major streaming services, the Chrome browser, and a variety of social media apps. Doubles as a multimedia entertainment tablet. Includes Bluetooth, Wi-Fi, and GPS features. A wide variety of ports for connectivity. 32 GB of storage and 2 GB of RAM included. Number 4. UGEE 708 Graphics Drawing Tablet. The UGEE 780 might just be the best drawing tablet in its price range. The 8,192 levels of pressure is certainly the best sensitivity that you'll find in a $60 drawing tablet, but it also makes use of a pen that's battery-free. That means that the pen will feel more natural in your hand and leave you less prone to careless errors when drawing. This drawing tablet also comes with some of the best software compatibility, supporting the best and most major players in traditional art like Adobe and Comic Studio as well as 3D art programs like Autodesk Maya. But even if you've never bought a drawing tablet and pen before, you won't have much trouble getting accustomed to this tablet. It's incredibly easy to set up, and the fact that it works with both Apple and Windows operating systems means you don't need to worry about compatibility. Great range of software compatibility. Tremendous value for the price. Pen operates without a battery. Includes 8 customizable express keys. Number 5. Vika 30 Graphics Drawing Tablet. In terms of pure specs, the Vika 30 is very similar to the UGEE 780. This tablet sports the same best-in-class sensitivity and makes use of a battery-free pen for a less weighty and more organic drawing experience. This tablet is compatible with PC or Mac operating systems through the use of the latest USB-C technology, so you can count on it to stay relevant even if you find yourself upgrading your machine in the future. But where the Vika 30 separates itself from the typical drawing tablet market and shows its best side is through its smart gesture touch technology. While this tablet offers a below average for customizable touch keys, it also employs a gesture pad that responds to specific movements and allows you a more nuanced approach for zooming in and out and accomplishing simple tasks in a naturalistic manner. Pen is completely battery-free. Compatible with most major software. Incredibly thin, measuring at 9 mm. Very smart gesture touch pad design.